Hello everyone. In this video, we will see serial number wise stock maintenance in Saral. Through this video, you will be able to understand serial number wise stock maintenance in Saral for purchase, sales, DC inward and DC outward. We will also see the process of entering the serial number manually, auto-generating the number or updating the number by scanning the item, QR or barcode. Lastly, we can view the serial number wise closing stock report. First, enable the serial number option under the Item tab of Inventory Settings in the Inventory menu to begin the process. On enabling, click Settings and add the required number of fields with the caption to capture the serial number. Apply the settings and go to Item Master. In the Item Master, create the required item and enable the option serial number. On adding the opening balance of the item, you are required to enter the item's serial number for the total quantity shown. Enter the serial number and save the item. Next, we will discuss the different transactions with serial numbered items. Go to the purchase invoice and enter the required details. On selecting a serial number enabled item, you must enter the purchase quantity and the serial number for each item. Enter the serial number and continue to save the purchase invoice. Similar to the purchase invoice, we will create a sales invoice too. Go to sales invoice and enter the required details. On selecting the item, you have to provide the sale quantity. Enter the quantity of the item and choose the related serial number from the drop down. Enter the other details and save the invoice. To view the invoice, click Preview and the invoice will be displayed along with the serial number. Apart from entering the serial numbers manually, we can also generate them automatically. For the auto generation of the serial number, go to Purchase Invoice and enter the purchase details and the item. On entering the item quantity, enter the first serial number and click on the Auto Generate option. The serial numbers will be generated for the remaining items in continuation to the first serial number. Confirm the same and continue to save the purchase invoice by entering other details. The sales invoice for the items with auto-generated serial numbers can be generated and viewed as explained earlier. The same process can also be followed in DC inward and DC outward transactions. To view stock reports based on the serial number, go to the Stock Miscellaneous Reports under the View section of the Inventory menu and select the serial number. Here, provide the required filters and choose the items for generating the reports. The report will be shown serial number wise for each item and its inward, outward, and closing stock details. Here we complete the process of serial number wise item transactions in Saral. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.